TV, it's their marketing. That's
Yeah,
it's there's a
absolutely.
self-interest involved,
Yeah,
right? So,
yeah.
and if they're not seen on TV, then their brand suffers.
Absolutely. Yeah.
There's this concept of having sources in journalism. How do you identify, develop, and maintain a source, as a journalist?
Sometimes it takes a lot of work because people don't trust you. I mean, when we started with the Beria story, the first meeting we went to with the Malay residents, they just looked at us in absolute disdain. That's the only word I can use. It's like, they're doing here, Muh utha ke aage kind of a thing. What are they interested in this for?
Yeah.
But then when you keep meeting them, you keep going there, meeting them over and over, then they develop a level of confidence in you. In fact, today I had a very interesting phone call. There's an academic. He's died in the world, Malay resident, been there always and really deeply invested in the place. So when he first met me, and he's a real straight talker. So when he first met me, I remember it was a meeting at dawn, and he returned my greeting, whatever, responded to it. But the way he looked at me, he was like, "The hell are you?" Like he could not take me seriously. But then today he called me to congratulate. Well, I mean, we've been in touch since then. We've become friends. So today again, he called me. He said, I'm like, he calls me madam. Madam, मैं आपको वो ना कि आपने वो देना था आपको कि दाद देता हूँ कैसे आपने स्टोरी की ज़बरदस्त ये वो लोग नहीं करते हैं ऐसी स्टोरी. So I asked him. I said, I want to ask you something. I said, the first time we met, do you remember? I said, your attitude towards me was completely different. He said, बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं आप, बिल्कुल सही कह रही. मगर पता है मुझे कैसे पता चला? He said that once we'd gone really in the boonies at the Mole River and whatever, he said he drove like a maniac. I was in the car with him, with some people at the back. He drove like a maniac. He said, मगर आपने एक क्यों नहीं गई? मैंने कहा, ये औरत कर देगी. पीछे आदमी हमारे चीख रहे थे पर आपने कुछ नहीं कहा. मुझे पता चल मैं परख गया था आपको उस टाइम पे. मैं समझ गया कि आप कर लेंगे ये स्टोरी. It's very funny.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And
so you have to stay in touch with them. They need to know that you actually care about it. It's not just a story you're going to just do and just, do a superficial job or misquote them. I will often go back and ask them again, this is what you meant, by this. Oh, yeah, I do. Absolutely. And even when somebody is giving it to me a quote in an official, this lawyer, whatever, I always email that quote back, and because I do, and sometimes people just want to modify what they said or whatever, so it's fine.